Ready to ditch your dusty old high street bank for a slick digital account? If you're in the UK, you've probably heard the names Monzo and Starling. They're the two titans of the digital banking revolution, both offering brilliant apps, real-time spending insights, and zero-fee overseas spending. But if you can only pick one, which one is better? Today, we're pitting Monzo against Starling across three key battlegrounds: app features, travel and fees, and business banking. First up, app features. Monzo is famous for its vibrant, hot coral card and its user-friendly approach to budgeting. Its standout features are the spending categories, which help you see exactly where your money goes, and the salary sorter, which automatically splits your paycheck into different pots for bills, spending, and saving. If you live and breathe budgeting, Monzo's focus on helping you control your money in-app makes it a powerhouse. Starling, on the other hand, is generally seen as the more minimalist and robust choice. It has its own version of savings pots, called spaces, and offers excellent spending insights, but its key differentiator is arguably its marketplace. This lets you integrate third-party financial services, like investment apps or insurance, directly within the Starling app, making it a true financial hub. It's also known for its superior customer support, offering 24/7 in-app chat and phone support, which many people find reassuring. Moving on to travel and fees. Both banks are excellent for travelers because they use the MasterCard exchange rate with no added fees for card spending abroad. The crucial difference lies in cash withdrawals. With Monzo's free account, you're limited to a certain amount of free withdrawals abroad each month. After that, you face a 3% fee. Starling, however, offers unlimited fee-free cash withdrawals overseas. For a frequent traveler or a backpacker, that alone makes Starling a clear winner. Finally, business banking. If you run your own company, Starling has a distinct advantage. Starling's free business account is highly praised, offering a complete package with robust features, including the option for a paid business toolkit for invoicing and bookkeeping. Monzo also offers a business account, but it's generally considered less feature-rich than Starling's offering, often requiring a paid pro plan to access key accounting integrations. For the self-employed or small business owner, Starling provides a more comprehensive solution right out of the box. So, which is best? Monzo is perfect for the budget-focused individual who wants colorful, community-driven features and an intuitive way to track daily spending. Starling is the ideal choice for the frequent traveler and anyone who values a more comprehensive, no-nonsense financial hub, especially if you need business banking. Ultimately, both are brilliant and fully regulated UK banks, but your choice comes down to what you prioritize: budgeting tools or fee-free global cash access. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.